This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 45 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 9, oven, awning, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, microwave, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, front dinette, front living area, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 395 Mega Siemens is 15,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.